Ladies and gentlemen, today we discuss two astronomical theories related to universe. One is a steady state theory which explain that universe is a result of a hydrogen expansion. So it's expanding and creating galaxy due to hydrogen. So the other theory, which is known as explosion theory, which is also explained in Holy Quran. It is said in Holy Quran that earth and heaven, they were joined together and we split it asunder. So let's take explosion theory or Big Bang theory. Big Bang theory says that earth and heaven and earth, they were joined together, we split it asunder. So there was a big explosions and all galaxies, planets, star, galaxies, these are the result of Big Bang theory. So due to Big Bang, so billion of years ago, million and billion of years ago, there was a Big Bang, and this universe is a result of this Big Bang. Due to Big Bang, planets were created, stars, galaxy, and their number of galaxies are created. We in fact consider ourselves that we are separate from this universe. Whatever happening in universe, it is impacting us. Star, planets, and whatever happening in universe, that is impacting us. We are part of this universe. We are a process in universe. We are being processed. So take a Big Bang as the origin of life or origin of galaxies, stars, galaxies in the universe. We are part of the planets, and planet is part of galaxies, and then galaxy is part of further galaxies. So we are just in a series. Like we can say that apple is a part of apple trees, and rose is a part of the rose branches. Same way, we are the part of planets, planets a part of galaxies, and galaxy further part of other galaxies, and all galaxies, they are in the universe, they are over here. We cannot separate ourselves. All the good things you see, beauty, intelligence, love, compassion, you see in human, you can see in yourself. So whatever intelligence, beauty, love you see in other human being, you have the same characteristic, feature in you as well. You can't define yourself away from environment and other persons. I am what you are and the environment. I can't explain that I am alone. So if I want to explain you, I have to explain me as well as the person I'm talking to you, the environment. So I, you, and environment, they give complete definition of human being, because we are not alone. We are what our culture, environment, social conditioning, political conditioning, religious conditioning, environment, and the people we are in interaction, people we are talking. So we are not alone. We are part of environment, social conditioning, political conditioning, religious conditioning. They all define us. So we are not just a separate human being. We live in an environment, we live with people, we interact with people, and we can define ourselves as long as I define other people. So other people, me, and the universe, they are not separate, rather they are inclusive. They are impacting each other. Hope you got a universal message. Stay blessed and have a nice day.